everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. We're doing brunch today, guys. We're doing steak and eggs, right? So we got our prime tri-tip, right? And we got some shrimp. We got your slap your mama. We got some potatoes in the can we're gonna make hash with, right? We got an onion, we got bell pepper, we got eggs, right? Easy schmeezy, guys. I'm gonna get this out the package and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got our prep work done. We got our onions chopped up, our bell peppers chopped up, right? And now let's just take a look at this tri-tip. We wanna make sure this is dry, right? We wanna make sure this is completely dry before we put it on the grill. And guys, I'm just putting this straight down on the grill. We'll probably do this outside on the gas grill or charcoal grill. I think I'm gonna make up my mind. I'm just get rid of this silver skin right here, guys. That's not gonna be good eats, I don't think, right? Probably not. So we'll take our knife, we'll get up underneath here. Right, we'll just get underneath here and just try to get rid of that. Just get rid of all of it as possible. That's it, guys. Easy schmeezy, right? And I'm gonna do the rest of this. And I'll do the rest of this and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, guys, so we got our steak, right? Or our tri-tip. Tri-tip is a steak, right? So we don't want to put too much stuff on here. I don't want to put too much seasonings. So we're just going to go straight with salt and pepper. So I'm going to go outside, heat up the grill. We'll put the salt and pepper on, and then we'll go right to the grill. So, yeah, we'll do that. All right, guys, so we out on the grill. We had that preheating, right? So now it's a good time to clean your grill, right? I always wipe my grill before I use it, right? I got some avocado oil and a paper towel. I'm just gonna wipe this down. Much cleaner, right? You don't want to eat that, right? That's not gonna taste good. All right, let's close this down. We're gonna get our meat. All right, guys, I'm gonna start on the potatoes, right? Before we even put the meat on the grill, because you know, we know for a fact that this reheats well. So let's just see what it looks like in the can. If you've never seen potatoes in a can, they're sliced potatoes in the can. Let me get rid of this water and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump these out just so you can see it, what they look like. Still a lot of water in here. I'm trying to dry these off. Let's just dump these out. Just kind of dry these off a little. Alright, guys, we're just gonna let these dry up, okay? Let these dry up a little bit on the table here. It doesn't have to be super dry, but I don't want to put wet potatoes in grease, right? Because we're gonna put a little bit of avocado oil. Alright, so guys, we got your slap your mama fish fry. We're gonna use this on our shrimp, right? So I got our shrimp. I'm just gonna put a little water in here. I just want to moisten it up some more. Right? And that's it, guys. Easy schmeezy. And I'm just gonna sit these over here. I'm going in with a couple of more batches of shrimp. Okay? Alright, guys, so we're gonna just salt this up real quick. Black pepper. Add a quick pat. Flip this over, same thing. Salt, black pepper. Guys, I'm not going to be using any oil, no nothing, right? So let's get back over to the grill. Alright, guys, our grill is screaming hot. This burner over here, I'm going to turn it off so we have a little cool zone to go to. And down we go with our tri-tip. Alright, guys, so let's just take a quick peek. It's been about 2 minutes. Doesn't want to come up. All right, we're gonna let that stay for a little bit more. Hey guys, the idea is we're gonna take it, we're gonna turn it, then we're gonna turn it. Guys, we're not gonna take it in just one side, because this is a thick piece of meat, so we got a little bit of cooking to do. All right guys, while this side is still going, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this down. All right guys, let's take a look at our meat. Yep, it's decided to come right up, and we're gonna flip on the other side. And we're gonna close the lid down. All right guys, so our pan is heating up. You can see a little smoke coming off the top of it. I'm going in with some avocado oil, right? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with our onions. And I'll put the bell peppers in just a few minutes after the onions, right? Let me turn this pan down just a little bit. I just want to give this all a little bit of a head start on the onions, right? Not much, just a minute or so. I'm going with the bell peppers now. Maybe just a little bit more avocado oil. Then a tab of butter. Guys, I'm gonna take these potatoes, cut them in half. That's how thick they are, right? Now guys, these potatoes are already cooked, so we just need to brown them up. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this pan up a little, and we're gonna go in with our potatoes. I'm gonna hit it with a little salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and then we're gonna go in with a little smoked paprika. All right, we're gonna leave it on this side and kind of let it get all nice and browned up and crunchy, and then we'll kind of flip it. All right, guys, so here we go. I think we may have overdone it a little bit. Because I just checked it, now we're at 179. We were at 140 before. So this has got to come off. Now let's check this side real quick. On this side is 150. That's kind of weird, right? So you know what? I'm going to pull this. We're going to let this rest in the house, and I'm pretty sure it'll continue to cook. Alright guys, so this is what our shrimp looks like, right? With the batter on it, or the flour on it. So we're just going to go ahead and put these down in the pan. It's nice and hot. Now don't forget, our steak has been resting now probably about 10 minutes. These shrimps don't take long to cook at all. I'll bring you back when the shrimp is done. All right guys, so we're gonna cut against the grain. Now, I don't know if you can see it here, right? The grains are running this way, and then they start to run this way. So we're gonna cut it just like I would cut a brisket. I'm gonna cut it here, right down the middle. Right, and let's see what temperature we got. We got a little bit above medium well. As you can see, the bottom here is a little bit more well done. I don't know what happened there. Maybe I left it sitting on one side too long. But there we go. All right, so we're going to cut across the grain. So we're going to cut this way. Right? Nice thin slices. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. No, I'm going to have to taste this is what I'm going to have to do. Now, don't forget, we just did salt and pepper. And this is a little bit more done than I like, but hey. Guys, it still tastes good. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna get this cut up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our plates plated up. Guys, real quick, look at our shrimp. Nice and crispy. Guys, I'm gonna go down with some eggs. And guys, we're gonna go down with some potatoes here, right? Guys, then we go down with some shrimp, right? Take an egg, right? And I'm just gonna go right over top of our scrambled eggs. right? Why not? Why not? This juice back on top of our meat here. Just a little bit, not too much. All right, guys. And this is breakfast, or this is brunch. Let me give you guys a flyover. Would you eat this? We got steak, we got eggs, we got shrimp, we got potatoes, we got a biscuit. Yep. All right, guys. It's time to dig in. It's time to dig in. It's time to eat. I don't want my eggs to get cold. All right, guys, so it's time to dig in. Let me cut this egg first. Hey, let me give me a piece of meat. Dip that in some of this egg right here, guys. Guys, this is so good. Let's give this shrimp a try. This is how the shrimp came out. I'll definitely buy Just Slap Your Mama again. Now, I definitely can taste this on some catfish. Absolutely. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.